This tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up the Roblox Authenticator, a vital tool for enhancing the security of your Roblox account. By connecting the mobile app, you can ensure safer logins and protect your Roblox and virtual items. So, let's get started. So first, open any web browser that's available on your laptop or desktop. After you open any web browser, click the search bar and type roblox.com. While we're in the Roblox website, log into your account so that we can proceed. As you can see, mine is already open and logged in to the Roblox website. While we're in the Roblox website, click the settings icon, which is located at the top right of the website screen. The menu appears. Just click the settings tab so that we can proceed. While we're in the settings tab, click the security tab below the account info tab. While we're in the security tab, locate the Authenticator App section. After you locate the Authenticator App section, click the slider to toggle on the Authenticator app. As you can see, Roblox asks for the security code, which you can check in the mail depending on which email you sync in, like Yahoo or Gmail. For example, mine is Gmail, so I open a new tab and I'm already logged in so that we can straight to the point. When we're in the Gmail tab, refresh the tab so that you can receive the mail just in case. If the mail does not appear after refresh, just click the More tab on the left side of the screen. While we're in the More tab, click the All Mail tab to check all the mails, including the spam mails. As you can see, the mail in the video has appeared from Roblox. So all you have to do is open the mail to check for the security code. As you can see, this is where you can check the security code. Make sure the code you receive is the latest mail, or it will not verify because it will be considered as expired or already used. Let me show you the result. So let's copy this old code and go back to Roblox. As you can see, it doesn't verify, which means it is considered as already used or expired. Now, let's copy the code from the latest email and paste it to Roblox. As you can see, the latest code has been verified. Now it's up to you if you want to scan the code or copy the code and enter it manually by clicking this message. From here, it's up to you which authenticator app you use because different authenticators have different ways, but the results at the end are the same. Setting up the Roblox Authenticator is an important step in safeguarding your account and virtual assets. By following the steps, you enhance your online security, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your account. Remember to keep your Authenticator app updated and store your backup code securely for future use. Enjoy a safer Roblox experience.